In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Recycling Center Simulator on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Once you have done this, we can continue to the Google browser and we need to search up the game at Steam first before we can continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So go to the Steam website, and after that we quickly search it up. Don't waste too much time on it because we are not going to buy it over here, we are going to download it on another website. So search up the game, then scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is €17.99 on Steam. Quite expensive, but don't worry, we got a workaround. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Now search up the same game, Recycling Center Simulator, and then click on search. After that, select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Now there are a couple of things which are very important. You need to search for a PC version, and also this text needs to be marked green so it can be activated in your country. The next step is of course to select the game, and after that you will find out that we already can purchase this game for just €8.69 compared to the Steam price of €17.99. So once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!